EA have released the first batch of winter upgrades in FIFA 16. So these were just released today, I believe. And we do have some pretty big players in here. This is the first batch out of, I believe, 4 in FIFA 16. So we've got more to come in the coming weeks. But I do believe these are the biggest and the best players getting upgraded here. Now we've got quite a few big names. I can't go over absolutely everyone, so I'll be going over the top 10. But if you do want to check out everyone, the link to the full list will be down below in the description. But anyways, let's start things off here by finding our first player, and this can be none other than the leading goal scorer in the Premier League. Started off as a 71 this year. Obviously he did get upgraded to a 75 overall. He also already has an 82 record breaker card. However, this one is obviously not going to be as good as that. This is still a pretty decent card. 75 rated rare gold player Jamie Vardy. I mean, look at that, 92 pace. That looks brilliant. 76 shooting to 78 physical. Should be a good card. I'm sure he'll go for a lot when he's first released. Anyways, let's move on here to the second player, and this is going to be Riyad Mahrez here. Another Leicester player. Once again, he started off pretty low. Started off as, I believe, I can't even tell which one, but he started off in the 70s range, but he got upgraded up to a 76 overall. Now, he's had a couple informs. I believe these are the 3 informs he has, but I do believe he was upgraded to a 76 from a 73. Pace looks pretty good, dribbling looks pretty good, shooting and passing are pretty decent too. Now, the only thing I've got to complain about this card is why on earth is he rated higher than Jamie Vardy? I mean, they're both brilliant players, don't get me wrong. But I gotta say, Vardy's had the better season. I mean, he's the best player in the Premier League right now. The way he's playing, I thought he deserved a higher upgrade than Mahrez. But anyways, moving on to player number 3, another Premier League player, and this is going to be Jack Butland here. Starting off at a 74 overall, and getting upgraded to a 79 overall. I do believe, pardon me if I'm wrong, but I do believe he got upgraded to a 79 from the 74 over here. I mean, the diving looks pretty good, the reflexes look pretty good. Overall, every single stat on that card except maybe kicking and speed looks really good, and I do think he'll be a pretty overpowered goalie for the price he will eventually go for. Now, the next player on our list is going to be the big Manchester United signing from this past year. Cost them something like 45-50 million pounds, something like that. But this is going to be none other than Anthony Martial. I mean, he's had a pretty good season, probably one of Man United's best players in their struggling year. He got an upgrade from 77 overall to 79 overall. He's also had a couple informs here too. However, these are the upgraded cards. Now, his pace got upgraded, his dribbling got upgraded. Actually, obviously, everything did get upgraded. However, his new stats do look quite good. He was already pretty expensive when he first came out in the game, and I do believe he is going to be quite expensive once again. Next player is going to be Javier Hernandez, the ex-Manchester United striker. Now on Bayer Leverkusen, where he really picked up form. He had an inform card here, but his regular card was 80, now getting upgraded to 82. His pace has not changed, his shooting has gone up by 2. I mean, I don't have much to say, the card looks pretty decent, so yeah. Now, as if this guy wasn't already overpowered enough on FIFA, but he has got an upgrade, and I'm sure you can already guess who it is. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Now, Lord have mercy. Started off as an 82, both his informs getting a big boost. I mean, 85 rated and 86 rated inform Aubameyang. Like, that's more like a team of the season card. That's OP. As for his actual upgraded card, it is 84 overall. Brilliant statistics. I mean, 96 pace, 80 dribbling, 83 shot. As if he was not sweaty enough. I just can't wait to see how much this guy's gonna go for and how much he's just gonna rip through my teams when I play online seasons. Up next, we've got Hugo Lloris. I mean, just a pretty top-notch goalkeeper overall. His team, the Tottenham Spurs, are doing pretty well this year too, getting an upgrade from 84 to 85. His stats got improved. The card looks amazing as always. So yeah, let's just slot him right in. And next here is the only Barcelona player in this top 10. Now, I'm sure some Barcelona players will get upgraded later on. However, this is the only big one that has been currently upgraded from 84 to 85. It is Rakitic. I mean, he's not a card who I've really liked in FIFA. He's okay. Don't mind him. He has good dribbling, good shooting, good passing. But yeah, there he is. My, oh my, look how many informed special cards, and I mean, just take a look at how many Godin has. I mean, his name pretty much describes him as a player. That is phenomenal. 85, 86, 90, 80. Look at how many special cards there are. Now, his regular card is 85. The upgraded one being 86. Here, that is phenomenal. The defending, the physical stats. I mean, even if you look at his informs, they are just absolutely phenomenal overall. And the final upgraded player, the best of the bunch as of now, Sergio Aguero. My, oh my, this guy, one of my favorite players in real life, as I am a City fan. I mean, a pretty deserved upgrade despite being injured for so long. Still got a decent upgrade from 87 to 88. Also, his 2 informs, I guess, got upgraded. Just take a look at that card and predict how much you think it will go for. 89 pace, 89 dribbling, 88 shot. Only weak spot is defending, but that doesn't even matter. He's a striker. Wow. So here's the full list anyways, of the top 10. Of course, if you want to see the actual full list, link will be down below. We got Vardy, Mahrez, Butland, Martial, Hernandez, Aubameyang, Lloris, Rakitic, Godin, and Sergio Aguero. But anyways, make sure to tell me your thoughts on these upgrades. Do you think they were deserving? Who do you think should get an upgrade next? And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And I will talk to you guys all later.